Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys this 10-inch teapot frontal wig. It comes with 2 combs at the front and 1 at the back, and it also has a drawstring. The lace is kind of tinted, but I wanted it to match my skin tone, so I'll actually powder it, as you guys will actually see in the video. And I love the construction of the wig, you guys. It's so amazing. You don't see the tracks of the wig at the back. This step is very important, you guys. If you're someone that doesn't know how to bleach the knots or bleach the lace of your wig or even frontal, you need to use your face powder that's in your skin tone. And I didn't do much in this wig, you guys. I didn't pluck it because I was kind of rushing, but you guys can actually see that this wig actually matches my hairline, so it didn't need too much. And when it comes to teapot wigs, you don't need to pluck it a lot. You might ruin the hair. So when it comes to this step, I had to use my edge gel to brush out the hair and the lace, so that whenever I'm cutting the lace, the hair is not in the way. I was supposed to use a wax stick, but baby, I don't have it. But you can use a wax stick or an edge gel to actually brush the hair out of the way in the lace whenever you're about to lay the lace. Because baby, when your hair is all over the lace, it doesn't look good. It's kind of tacky. So you need to make sure that whenever you're cutting your lace, there's no hair sticking out, because you might ruin the lace. And you need to be careful when you are cutting your lace, because baby, if you cut your lace the wrong way, then it's game over for you. But yeah, this step is very simple, you guys, but you just need to be careful when doing it. I'll be also using my blade to cut the lace. You guys would actually see in the video. Forgot to mention that to you guys, that this video is not sponsored. I paid for this here with my own money, okay? And I realized that most of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe down below and like this video. So I'll be using my got-to-be glue to lay the lace of my wig, or should I say the front of my wig. I don't know why I keep on saying lace, but anyway, this is a frontal, okay? All these bitches and hoes and no shit. You a damn joke, you toxic. I like to cut my wig in sections, you guys, and whenever I am done cutting the lace, I always make sure that I don't cut my lace in a straight line, because it doesn't make sense for one to cut the lace, or should I say the frontal, in a straight line, because your hairline is not straight. So you need to make sure that you are cutting the lace the way your hairline is supposed to be. I don't know if I'm making sense, but you guys will actually see in the video how I actually did it.
Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm trying to hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm trying to hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too, where I need someone to be.
You need to cut your lace in a zigzag motion, as you guys can actually see in the video. And I will go ahead and lay my wig with my got-to-be glue again to make sure that it is secured, it doesn't move, honey. And I will actually powder my lace when I'm actually done. You guys will actually see how it turns out at the end of this video, but everything was just very simple.
Call away, mommy, come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a
Burgundy got us stuck like a holster. I'm putting no crushed ice for my soda. I'm putting no crushed ice for my soda. I'm putting no crushed ice for my soda. Burgundy got us stuck like a holster. Boy, do it.
Before you guys come for me in the comment section, child, I had to do my face because baby was running late to go out for lunch. So right now I will powder my frontal with my face powder, as I mentioned to you guys, because I want the lace to match my skin tone. As you guys can actually see in the video, baby, it looks like it was done by a professional, but baby, I'm not a professional. I like to install wigs by my own self. So I'll go ahead and cut my baby hair. So I already sectioned out hair that I want to cut in my wig, as you guys can see, and I'll cut my baby hair in a zigzag motion. You guys will actually see that also in the video, so I don't want to drag this video and explain a lot of things, whereas everything in J is explaining through. You guys can actually see everything in the video.
Alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded.
I'm too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy.
So now that we're done, I'm cutting our baby hair. Now it's time to lay it. So I'll be using the Isoplus, as you guys can actually see in the video. As I mentioned, everything will be in my description box for you guys, just in case you guys want to purchase this wig or purchase some of the items that I use in this video. So yeah, I wanted to put concealer where my edges are and actually in the closure in the wig to make sure that it looks like my skin. I don't know if I'm making sense, but you guys can actually see in the video.
That's that action, her bitch work on her knees. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game.
I wanted to be dramatic and decided to do edges next to my ear, because I love doing that when it comes to T-part frontal wigs, you guys. It makes my wig looks like it's a full frontal wig. I don't know if you guys can actually get that, or yeah, you guys will actually see how that looks like once I'm done with this wig.
Watch out for me, I'm bound to.
This is the last step of this tutorial, guys. I will go ahead and apply mousse on my hair to tame away the flyaways, baby. So if you guys really enjoy this hair tutorial, make sure you comment down below and like this video, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, because I have a lot of content that I want you guys to engage in. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.
Ooh la la. Ooh la la ooh la la ooh la la